Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to prioritize gaming or streaming devices on your Wi-Fi. So make sure you will be on your laptop, and I will be just move in the Wi-Fi settings, and in the search bar I will just write like Wi-Fi settings right over here, and you will just tap on it simply as well. So when you just get in, so you will be just move in the right option is the change adapter option. I will just tap on it simply, and you will just select your Wi-Fi name, and you will be just get in this properties. So what gonna do, you will be just tap on this configure and advanced settings, and you will be just find transmit power. I will just tap on it and make sure if you have a lowest or middle low, medium high. So make sure in your mind you will be just set it on the fifth one is the highest priority. So I will just tap on it and make sure you will just tap to done. So that's it. So in this way you will be just now prioritize gaming or streaming devices on your Wi-Fi. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.